Side leg kicks primarily target the muscles of the hips, thighs, and core. Here's a breakdown of the key muscles working during the movement. 1. Gluteus, medius, and minimus, hip abductors. These muscles on the sides of your hips are responsible for lifting the leg out to the side. They help stabilize the pelvis and improve hip mobility. 2. Tensor fasciae latae, TFL, located on the outer thigh near the hip. It assists with leg abduction and internal rotation. 3. Quadriceps, engaged to keep the kicking leg straight. 4. Obliques, especially internal and external obliques, work to stabilize your torso and maintain balance during the kick. Secondary muscles engaged. And gluteus maximus. The largest glute muscle helps with hip extension and stabilizes the supporting leg, though hip flexors, e.g. iliopsoas, assist in lifting the leg, especially at the start of the kick. 3. Hamstrings, help control the leg as it extends and returns. 4. Abductors, inner thigh of standing leg, help stabilize the supporting leg to prevent tipping. 5. Transverse abdominis, deep core muscle that keeps your body balanced and your spine supported. Muscle emphasis depends on style. Standing side kicks, martial arts style. More explosive, involving core and glutes with speed and power. Controlled side leg raises or ballet style kicks. Focus more on gluteus medius, TFL, and core control. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do kneeling side leg kicks on a mat. A great exercise for targeting your glutes, hips, and outer thighs. 1. Kneel on a mat on all fours, hands in knees position. 2. Align your body, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. 3. Engage your core and keep your back flat, neutral spine. 4. Extend your left leg straight out to the side, keeping it parallel to the floor. Toes point forward or slightly downward. 5. Keep your right knee and both hands firmly planted on the mat. Execution. 1. Lift your extended leg slightly above hip level. 2. Kick upward or outward, depending on angle. In a controlled motion, think of pulsing or kicking with the heel. 3. Slowly lower the leg back to the starting position, without touching the floor if you want to keep tension. 4. Repeat for 10-15 reps. 5. Switch sides. Variations. 9. Flex your foot instead of pointing your toes to better engage the glutes. Add an ankle weight or resistance band for more challenge. Perform circles with your leg instead of kicks to vary the stimulus. Please check my next video.